Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Carol and I am a florist. Today is my 30th birthday, so to celebrate, I decided to go to a park and do a flower installation. So follow along and let's see how it goes. I was really upset that the balloons did not stay full the entire time because it was cold, but I wasn't going to let it ruin my day. But as soon as they went back in the car, they plumped up. The little library, adorable. The school desk, oh, I wanted to take it home. My favorite thing. My plan at first was to put flowers on the chair, but I knew I kind of wanted to sit in it, so it wouldn't have made sense. So I'm like walking around, taking in the scenery, see what's going on. Where can I put these flowers? Who left mementos behind? Okay, you're getting right into it. My goal was to do 3 different kinds of bouquets, considering that they were the same flowers. I wanted them to be different green-wise. So the top one had more, flair. The bottom one had a lot more eucalyptus. And the center one, I kind of wanted it to just blend between the two. In the comments, please tell me how you felt turning 30 or what you did on your 30th birthday. Now, tying this bouquet, the flowers on the left-hand side kept coming loose and falling over, so you can see it right there. So that happened a few times. It was just a lot of flowers in the bouquet to be holding in one place. Guys, when I tell you, turning 30 may not seem like a big deal, but I could never picture myself being 30. Anytime I think of aging, it freaks me out. I mean, I'm appreciative and I'm glad I'm here, don't get me wrong. I love my life. It's just the concept of life is just very strange to me. I'm adding in some greens at the bottom. And the carnations that were not used in this bucket, they were either blown open too much and started peeling at the bottom, or they were kind of falling apart. So yeah, something needed to be in the middle, and I had a little bit of ribbon. Oh my goodness, I was prepared, but I was not prepared. That's literally all the ribbon I had left. So I was like, let me just make do with what I have. It's not gonna be like the best bow I ever made. But I was gonna try to make it something out of nothing, I guess.
Picasso.
Okay. Clean up. Always clean up your mess. Yeah, girl. I sat down in that seat. And I don't know what came over me, but I boo-hoo-hooed. I was really like, I don't know how I'm going to talk after this. Blown in the light. I thought 30 was going to be like devastating. I feel. Poor baby, poor baby. I feel like crying. Happy tears. I swear this is not what I wanted to do. Oh, not really happy. I'm officially 30 years old. My balloons will not act accordingly. For the last couple months, I have been stressing about turning 30. What am I supposed to be doing at 30? I don't know. But I do feel accomplished. I feel happy. I'm trying not to get emotional again. But yeah, in honor of myself, I decided to come to a park and do an installation. And look at her. Happy birthday to me. Look at her. She's beautiful. First day of being 30. Not bad. Adios.